Welcome back. Sorry about the little delay in not getting videos out there. I'm trying to get them out there every couple of days as jobs come in and everything else. But I am fresh back from North Carolina, where I had to fly down there and pick up a new to us medium duty wrecker, 16 ton, and drive it all the way back. So yeah, that'll be a new one added to the fleet. That'll be nice truck to have. It's a 2016 model Kenworth T370 with a 16 ton Jordan on the back of it. So it'll be a nice little in-between unit to get what the heavies are too big for and the rollbacks are too small for. We'll try to get I'm sure I'll get a couple videos with it. I'm sure there'll be plenty in the future, but as I train the driver for it, I'm sure there'll be a few videos being made there as needed. Right now, I'm headed to the Marathon gas station, exit 86, for a load of boats. One of the boats has shifted on the trailer, and the cribbing's come out from underneath it, I guess. So I've done a couple of these. We'll see. Hopefully we'll see which one. Hopefully it's usually the trailer on the boat on the rear. It's not that big of a deal. So, but we'll see which one it is when I get there. We're gonna go knock this out. It's just before 7 p.m. on a Sunday. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for me. Click the little bell so you get the notifications. All right, yes sir. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Thanks, bye. So I just got off the phone with the driver on location. It's not boats on the trailer. It is boat trailers stacked, single axle boat trailers. And apparently they have little, I think he said 1x or 2x2, 2x4s that they sit on the trailer. And he said that the problem with them is that the blocks are not full length of the trailer, so they try to walk out from underneath the trailers that are stacked on his trailer. And that's what happened, is the board walked out from underneath it. He said shouldn't be too big of a deal. Just lift it up and put the blocks back underneath it, set it back down, and he'll re-secure it, and we'll be good to go. So ought to be pretty interesting. Let's see when we get on scene. Yeah, so I've assessed this, and I'm having him move over here where I can back up to him. But this is going to be, it's going to be so, I don't know what could make this job any simpler than it's got to be. So that's a good spot right there, buddy. So it's this front set of trailers you'll see here in a minute. It hasn't actually, the block hasn't come out of it yet, but it's soon to be. So we're going to back up to the tongue of the trailers, reach out, pick them up, and then set them down. It's going to take longer to get set up than it is to do the actual job. And that's how these work most of the time anyway. Oh, almost forgot my PTO. And I think I might get rained on. Sure hope not. The biggest thing I think is I'm gonna have to get up over that top one and come down.
Like I said, it's
not much, but
it's not much. It's just getting yourself positioned. So
yeah.
whatever you need to do.
Yeah. Let me see if I should be able to. Let me see if I got enough to get all the way up over that top one.
Piece of this steel in here, I could have just done it myself, but
yeah,
we wouldn't want to do something like that.
That would be intelligent. That would require something called critical thinking.
These guys are just forklift operators. They just do what they're told.
Stack them and set them.
You could probably just put the hook in that.
Yeah, I'm gonna run a strap around. I'd be afraid to mess it up. I mean, it's not a lot of weight, but with my luck,
you don't want to jack it. That's the way I am. My luck ain't been really good the last while, so.
back me up here about 2 feet. Don't let me hit your trailer. I'm gonna back up a little bit more and then we'll be just set. Guy that knows how to use distance. It's my kind of truck driver right here.
Back in a little bit.
That's fine. That's what I wanted to do. Yep.
That'll let you adjust it the way you want.
Exactly. If we got to move it, if it picks up and swings, I can go both ways with it.
I carried some of those little Walmart straps just for strapping over some of them.
Yeah.
Because you can tell some of these are leaning, and sometimes they get leaned out pretty good, but.
We good there.
That's old I'm walking in.
Is that? Oh, I thought it was slick.
That's what I just thought. Oh, shit. I guess it's old. Yeah. That's crankcase oil.
Somebody had a bad afternoon.
Yep.
I wonder if that's going to be tall enough. If not, just to be safe, I'll grab these two. And they'll end up being too long. Shackles. That's my OSHA approved ladder.
Yep.
You like it? Oh yeah, that should be plenty, I hope.
Want your remote?
Yeah. I thought I grabbed everything before I climbed up here. Thank you.
You're welcome. I can help with an A-frame, boys. You got way too many toys to be touching.
I'm setting myself up for failure here. I keep putting everything where I don't need it. That is so close. I'm on a run. What's up? Yeah, what's up? I don't know, but I got more important things going on right now. I don't know. I'm not sure, sir. All right. All right, thanks. Bye-bye. I'm really close to being able to make this work.
You can probably pick up the next tongue up and, well, no, that would give us two.
There it goes. I knew it was there. I was like, it's so close, you can't tell me it's not going to work. Oh. All right, you ready? I'm gonna boom in a little bit because we're not quite centered.
Like I said, I didn't loosen the straps up a whole lot. Didn't see that we needed it.
Yeah. That's pretty well centered right there.
I don't know where that needs to be, I can't tell.
Keep coming. They got that tape on it there to show right where it's supposed to go, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Because this one's got tape and it's right underneath that. That's about
I'm running out of
oomph. That's about centered in that block. Actually, keep pushing it in some more. There you go, right there. Yeah, that's about right where the other one's at.
All right.
Can we set it down?
I guess so. That's all I needed.
Cool. You want to crank her down tight? I'm gonna jump off and get a picture.
All right.
I don't care who you are, that looks cool.
Pardon me?
I don't care who you are, it looks cool. All right,
documents that you was here and did something.
well, yeah. You want to crank it down? Go ahead and strap it down. I'm completely loose on it, but I don't want to take my stuff off and maybe move a trailer.
All right.
Likelihood of that happening, slim to none, but
But you just never know.
yeah. If it wasn't for bad luck, wouldn't have no luck at all, so. I brought two of them over here, didn't I? Yeah, I brought two. I'm missing one. What'd I do with it? Oh. There it is.
where that one's loose, but I got the top one.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll get my stuff off.
Using the money they spent on you coming out, they could have bought full lead 2x4s and do the whole thing.
Yeah. I don't know. Price of lumber right now.
It's high. I'm building my wife a great big deck around an outdoor pool we just got, and it's just like, good gracious.
Yeah, when will the money never end?
I got about 6 grand in it, and I'm almost halfway.
I believe it. All right. Ooh, about fell.
And if you got a little oil on your feet, it just gets slicker and slicker.
All right, I'm gonna pull forward and get the rest of my stuff put away. You can finish cranking it down. Well, it's the end of another one, fellas and lady fellas. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button, leave me a comment if you like this content, and subscribe. See you next time. Okay, bye.